Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to link Audible to Kindle. To link Amazon Kindle with Audible, the first thing to understand is that it only works with books that support Whispersync for voice, which you can identify by the small headphone icon on the books page in the Kindle store or your library, because only these titles are designed to sync reading and audio together. Once you've confirmed compatibility, make sure both your Kindle and Audible apps are logged into the same Amazon account so they can share progress correctly. Then purchase or download both the ebook and audiobook version at the same time, sometimes with a discounted upgrade option for narration. After downloading, open the book in your Kindle app and tap the screen to bring up the reading controls, then look for the headphone or audio icon, which lets you switch into audiobook mode through Audible. When activated, the narration will start and your reading position will automatically sync with the audio, allowing you to switch between listening and reading seamlessly without losing your place. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.